Today's episode is
75, 77, 86, 87, 96, and 99's reactions to Fred Flintstone's snoring. Enjoy the video.
Hi guys, we're 75, 77, 86, 87, 96, and 99. And today we're doing a reaction video on Fred Flintstone snoring.
But this video is a bit crazy because the way he snores is that he goes nuts when he goes crawl-a-la-la-la-la-la-la-loom. Yeah, I know that he snored like that.
Anyways, enjoy the reaction.
Oh my god, Fred Flintstone.
Well, what? Why is the cat moving back and forth?
Al.
That does it. I'm turning myself in at the animal shelter. At least I can get a night's sleep.
Oh gosh, this scene makes me want to puke so hard.
Oh dear, I'll never get to sleep with Fred snoring like that. Fortunately, Pebbles has a set of earmuffs. At least she can rest. Maybe if I stuff this orange in his mouth, it'll stop his snoring.
You. So sickening. I can't take it anymore.
If mankind could harness that power, we could go to the moon. Now, who could that be? Come in. Betty, Barney, what brings you over at this late hour?
What else?
You mean Fred snoring?
Right, we can't sleep away.
And we're gonna stop it if you can't.
Lots of luck. I've been trying all night.
Come on, Fred. Wake up! Wake up! Oh boy, looks like a real tough job this time.
Come on, Betty. Let's get out of this draft before we catch a cold.
Hey, I got an idea. Why not put Fred in a closet and close the door?
Won't that be uncomfortable?
Not for us.
Life with Fred must be like living in a wind tunnel. Good night, Fred. Yeah, isn't that better? Surprising what our little brains can do. And I got as little as anybody. Next idea coming up.
Now what, Barney?
A brilliant idea. This funnel is attached to a garden hose.
Why is
Put
there
the
a
funnel
breathing
over
machine?
Fred's snarls
Does that
over.
have to do with ending the
And
snoring?
now listen.
Oh, no way.
No more snores.
It also works.
It works!
But where does the sound go?
I buried the other end of the hose outside in the ground.
Oh.
Harriet, will you turn over? You're snoring again.
Thanks, Barney. Now I can get back to bed.
Yeah, good night, Wilma.
Good night.
Man, there's nothing like a good night's sleep.
Wow, that was a bit drove our nuts. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 34.